Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the functional group. The molecule contains AC is equal to O directly bonded to an NH, making it an amide, alkanamide. Step 2. Name the acyl, carbonyl, side, the parent chain. Starting from the carbonyl carbon and going left, C1 is equal to O, C2H2C3H, Br, C4H3. This is a 4-carbon chain, butanamide, with a bromine substituent at C3 giving 3-bromobutanamide. Step 3. Name the N substituent. The group on nitrogen going right from NH, C1H to C2H to C3H, Br, C4H3. This is a 4-carbon alkyl chain, butyl, with bromine at C3 giving 3-bromobutyl. Because it is on nitrogen, it is prefixed with N, giving N3-bromobutyl. Step 4. Combine. Parent chain name 3-bromobutanamide. N substituent N3-bromobutyl. Full IUPAC name 3-bromo-N3-bromobutyl butanamide. Step 5. Why no other name fits? Any alternative numbering or parent chain choice would not satisfy IUPAC rules. The longest chain through the carbonyl is 4 carbons and bromine is at position 3 on both chains. Therefore, the correct answer is 3-bromo-N3-bromobutyl butanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.